Hi, fam. Okay, I'm going to give you the number for Footsteps Eco Lodge. Their phone number is 770-6830 or 773-2060. That's the number for Footsteps Eco Lodge, okay? And, it finally stopped raining because it was pouring for days. We're in rainy season, but you know what? It's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. I'll tell you the next video. I was going to tell you something. Next video. So we go to the ATM machine here, and a car blocks us in. Right? You see that? You see that taxi right there? Blocks us in. I'm on my laptop, by the way. So, the person driving me jumps in an unknown taxi, and pulls it over. I love Africa. I'm on my laptop, okay, because I don't have a camera anymore, but I'm gonna get one. And then I won't look this color. Oh, he just pulled the guy's taxi on the side of the road. Will the guy get his taxi that got pulled on the road?
That's his problem.
That's his problem.
We have to go, you know.
The security did it, you know. It's for
You just left his car there.
no,
Now he's blocking all those people.
no, after they got this taxi is
My goodness.
parked on the road.
It's too much. I do not ever want to drive in this city. It's just too many people. Look at all the people. It's just too many people. Back and front. Way too many people.
So let's go cruising to the park, cruising after dark. Let's go out.
Thanks. It works.
Yeah. How long have you been? How long have you had the juice bar?
Altogether is 18 years. Altogether is 18 years.
Oh.
Yeah, since the starting of the Footstep Ecology.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, then I start coming down there.
Uh-huh.
We start, so.
He delivers as well. This is delivery.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
This is delivery because it's rainy season. I didn't have to go to the bar.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, because at the moment we are in the rainy season. And secondly, not too many tourists around at the moment. Yeah,
I'm not
so,
a tourist. I live here.
yeah, during the
During the high season.
season, yeah, we receive a lot of tourists and yeah, and the visitors also. Yeah, at the time the business is going on, so we get the tourists for the accommodation, and then we also have the visitors also to come and visit the place. Yeah.
What other kind of juices do you make?
At the moment, I'm making a grapefruits.
But what other types do you make?
Yeah.
Mangoes?
Yeah, this normal grapefruit juice, but I'm making at the moment. But I also do mix as you know. Yeah, cause I sometimes I do mix. I bring grapefruits and then mandarin and then orange. I mix them together. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Yeah, but at the moment, not too many tourists. That's why I only have one variety of the fruit at the moment. Yeah, which is grapefruit. Yeah.
And how much is it?
Yeah, normally I sell grass for 200.
Okay.
Yeah, I sell it for 200. But for the like cost like the customers, as I told you, as a friendship, I then I just charge it for 100. Yeah, I make discount for the sake of the humanity because I'm the friendship also. Yeah, so I do discount.
Well, you know what? It's okay. I'll give you 200 because you delivered. So this is delivery.
Yeah.
So I'll pay you full price. Just delivery.
Thank you very much.
Mhm.
God bless you. Thanks. Yeah.
Very nice. So if you're in Gambia and if you want Haruna to deliver to you, it's possible.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Is that my phone? Somebody's calling me. Here. Hello. Hi. How are you? Oh, good, good. You're calling about the furniture. I saw your furniture on Nice Gambia, and it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful furniture. Um, okay, so I want the white sectional, sofa sectional. Okay, can you hold on a moment? Okay, hold on, hold on. Independent Drive, thank you so much for calling us back. You're gonna deliver the furniture. Appreciate that. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Someday we'll go streets we don't know. Now we'll just glide, join the ride. So let's go cruising to the park, cruising after dark. Let's go out.
If you like escargot, I want to show you this one. Quite a few of them, actually. All right. Okay, can you see him? Okay. Was on my arm. Okay. Okay. All right. So, this is him. It's okay, Peanut. This is him. And let me show you my hand. You see, he's bigger than my hand. He's twice the size of my hand. Can you see how big he is? Oh, and there's another one. Oh, there's a lot of them out here. Okay, you see how big he is? And then there's this one. He's 3 times bigger than my hand. And do you see how big the ants are? This is just huge, okay? That's a baby one. This one is 3 times the size of my hand. Okay, that's enough. Oh, hell. That big thing was flying on me, whatever it was.